Hi guys, my name is Alex and this is my model Nikki.
Hello.
Today I'm going to show you guys the best way to enhance your client's natural colour story. And to do so, I'm going to be using Colorance from root to ends. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So when you're applying colorants, guys, just be mindful with the amount of pressure you place on the bottle during the application, and this will help you get a really clean application at the root. So remember guys, when you're working the colorants through the mid-lengths and the ends, to be mindful about the amount of pressure again you place on the bottle, just so you've got maximum control of your application. So be mindful with your application here. Collect your product in the palm of your hand. Using your thumb, you will gently pull the colorants through the mid-lengths and the ends. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe and explore our channel for other playlists.